talk about how can you fix this problem, how you can do that on your Amazon Music app. So you just click here on settings here. When you just click on settings, it's going to take you to this list. Then you just scrolling down here into your phone apps, click on it. Then it's going to take you to this list until you're looking for Amazon Music app, and you click on search. At here Amazon Music, just click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list, click on first stop, click on OK. You scrolling down here, click on storage, then you click on clear cache. So then you go to your Play Store here, click on Play Store. You search for Amazon Music, it's going to show for you like this. You will find here update, click on it, and it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.